Across Spring Branch ISD, middle school students are stepping into their futures through the district's new Employability Lab, a hands-on introduction to real career and technical education pathways. Here, students learn by doing. They're programming robots, testing simulated AI welders, setting up green screens for broadcast production, creating their own cosmetics, and practicing health science skills like splinting a broken bone. Every station gives them a chance to try something new, spark an interest, and build confidence. The Employability Lab is part of SBISD's T24 vision. As 8th graders get ready for high school, families are encouraged to connect with counselors to choose courses that match their child's skills and strengths. To learn more about SBISD CTE programs and planning resources, visit springbranchisd.com/CTE.